like serving your legs, like for real. So welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Claire. So let's get right into it. And before we get into it, how about you like stop the video right now, and I'm gonna need you to hit the subscribe button. After you watch this video, make sure you share it with somebody because they're gonna need to see this. Like, it's just that good. So what I'm using is a hair tie, something that's going to protect my hair, nothing that's going to snag my hair at all, but you're going to simply just tie one knot. That's it. You don't need to tie more than one knot. It is very secure. But the reason why I really like this method is because you can use any type of crochet hair that you like. Not all drawstrings come in, you know, the curls that we like, so you can create your own just by using these two items. Also, here's a small clip of me achieving the same style with using a doorknob or a door handle, so you can also use that instead of asking someone to hold the hair tie. Simply going to grab onto my bun, and I'm going to pull my hair tie ponytail that I just created through, and then I'm going to tease it, and there you have it. Bring it back like so. Put one safety pin, not safety pin, put one hairpin in the middle like so to kind of camouflage your bun. And this is another way you're going to camouflage your bun. Separate your hair. Like, this does really look like. I did another version, shorter pack. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, and if you even do the style, make sure you tag me. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my previous videos.